tell my love's a-growing? Can't you feel it, ain't it showing? Girl, you must be knowing I got a big, big love. Not the kind to be concealing, just the kind to be revealing. It's not a little bitty feeling. I got a big, big love. I think it's time we did some walking. Think it's time we did some talking. Well, there's a great big moon above. We got a big, big love. This is not infatuation. It's a true love sensation. Not in my imagination. I got a big, big love for you. Get it? Can't you tell my love's a-growing? Can't you feel it, ain't it showing? Now girl, you must be knowing I got a big, big love. Not the kind to be concealing, just the kind to be revealing. It's not a little bitty feeling. I got a big, big love. I think it's time we did some walking. Think it's time we did some talking. Well, there's a great big moon above. We got a big, big love. This is not infatuation. It's a true love sensation. Not in my imagination. I got a big, big love for you. We done some walking. Think it's time we done some talking. Well, there's a great big moon above. We got a big, big love. This is not infatuation. It's a true love sensation. Not my imagination. I got a big, big love for you.
Hey, we got a little audience today, Paul. We got some people here.
We got people.
We got people. So we're having a little Christmas party this week at Carmine's Country Corner, and we bought some food and we decorated the place, and we're having fun and wishing everybody out there a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We got TomPaul Wilson. He'll be with us. Actually, we'll kind of be with him on the 19th of February, a Thursday night at the Gene Autry Museum. And we're going to do a little show there, and he'll be helping us host it and run it and entertain. Now, who's walking out there on the sidewalk? Why aren't they coming in? Huh? Oh, it's just a guy. Well, come on in and have a sandwich. I bought too much food. Anyway, we got Gary Swan on piano. Gary, how's it going with the association?
Very nice.
Good for you.
Very
Cody
nice.
Bryant, they can see you. You can't hide under that hat forever. I know.
Which
Cody was nice enough to come up and wish us all a Merry Christmas, and of course we had Dan on bass and Paul on acoustic and helping us run the show. John Palmer on drums. A couple of people I want to mention out in the audience is our good friend Roy. We call him the Frog, right? Frog, very close friend for a lot of years. He's going to be getting up, doing a little something for us. And then, of course, we got Bartt. I can never say his last name.
Warburton.
Warburton. And he brought his ukulele.
So he did.
Yeah, so I want to hear some of that.
1, 2.
My wife Susan, my son Dylan, a bunch of my nieces and nephews. Peter Freiberger, you know, I called JD. He said he didn't know if he could do it his back or something. He didn't show up. Albert Lee said maybe. I said, don't worry about it, Albert. You know, if you're available, come up and play. And he usually comes to most of our parties. And in fact, we can all say happy birthday to Albert because I think he's 82 years old today.
Wow.
It's his birthday. You can all, Albert's just a wonderful guy and a great player. So I called Peter Freiberger. Now, I hate to say this because Pete and I don't hang day to day, but he's the last guy in the world I would have expected to show up.
He fooled you.
That doesn't mean I'm not happy to see him. I'm elated. But Pete, I'm really happy to see you, buddy. And a little bit, we'll get Pete up and he'll play some bass. And we did about 13 years together on all these jams. I guess Eric's doing it up at the Hideaway again, right, Pete? Yeah, that's great. Well, that's a good little jam, blues. That's all blues stuff. Those guys play great. We had so much fun doing that. All right, I talked enough. Swan, you want to do one? Yeah. All right.
Girl, you taught me how to hurt real bad, cry myself to sleep. Showed me how this town can shatter dreams. Another lesson about a dying fool. Came to Babylon, found out that the pie don't taste so sweet. And this guitars, Cadillacs, hillbilly music along the lonely streets that I call home. And it's guitars, Cadillacs, hillbilly music, only thing keeps me hanging on. Ain't no glamour in this tinsel town, lost wasted lives. Thank the scars that all they left for me. Wanna thank you, girl, for teaching me brand new ways to be cruel. Have a mind now, I guess I'll just leave. And this guitar's Cadillac, good friend Pete Anderson picking away at that somewhere.
I invited Pete too. He didn't show either.
Well, he's a big star.
Well, we're here. That's the main thing. Who else is singing this game? Paul, do
Yep.
another.
Key and G, straight H ballad. 4 strong winds. 2, vamp and G. 1, 2, 3. 4 strong winds that blow only, 7 seas that run high, all these things that don't change, come what may. But how good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I look for you if I'm never back this way. Guess I'll go up to Alberta. Weather's good there in the fall. Got some friends that I could go looking for. Still, I wish you'd change your mind if I asked you one more time. But we've been through that 100 times or more. 4 strong winds that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high, all these things that don't change, come what may. But our good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I look for you if I'm ever back this way. If I get there for the snow flies, and if things are looking good, you could meet me if I send you down the fair. But by then it would be winter, nothing much for you to do, and those winds they sure blow cold way out there. 4 strong winds that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high, all these things that don't change, come what may. But our good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I look for you if I'm ever back this way.
Hey, they're still showing up. Marina made it. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry we started without you, but we had to get the show. Good to see you. Hey, there's food. Oh, everybody eat the food. Louis and Jeannie are with you? Oh my God. Tony never showed up. Yeah, well. And where's Cindy? Cindy's supposed to be here. Oh, she made it. Hi, Cindy. Okay, so oh, I wanted to ask John something. Paul, say something.
Hey, this is CarmineSardo's Country Corner Christmas show. Country Corner Christmas. We have a couple of Christmas songs that I'm sure we're going to do. I know Gary Swan has one, and I've got one, and you know, we're all here to have a good time. I'm playing guitar.
Tom, quick, you better do a song while we have a chance because we got a lot of people showing up.
Well, I'm going to need to have my mic turned up a little bit, possibly, if I need to be louder.
Everybody's going to come up then. Come on up. Just turn them all up a little. You know, the first
Gary's loud enough.
First three. Just pop them up.
Just do this.
Not that. The first three mics. Well, the mics are just, you can bring them up.
You would think I'd never want to be one of my
Test.
65
No, now we're going to have feedback. Now it's going to feedback.
Okay, I don't care. Do it.
Test.
Okay,
Too much feedback?
Is that better?
I think it's okay.
Let's make
I don't know.
Okay, what are we doing?
All right. This is a Christmas song. It's Hank Williams Jr. or it's Hank Williams, and I consider it a Christmas song because Christmas can be depressing for people sometimes. I know. Hurry up. There's a lot of people here.
No, it's okay. I want to know what you're doing.
So I'm gonna do a song in key of D. It's Hank Williams. It's 145.
Let's do the song. We know it.
Down to the river to watch the fish swim by.
Let's do it. We all know it.
Do you? I went down to the river to watch the fish swim by. And when I got to the river, I was so lonesome I wanted to cry. Oh Lord. Found 3 times, but Lord, I'm only coming up twice. She was long gone, and then out of the lonesome. Hold that one, boys. I had me a woman, she couldn't be true. She made me for my money, then she made me blue. Oh, a man needs a woman that he can lean on. My hitching post is all up and gone. She's long gone at night on the lonesome. Go ahead, Carmine. She told me on Sunday she was checking me out, and long about Monday she was nowhere about. And here it is Tuesday, ain't got no news. Just a long but not forgotten blues. She's a long lonely man. I'm lonesome. Merry Christmas, everybody.
We'll be doing that one on the 19th. All right, now he's gonna leave pretty quick. These two gotta leave, so maybe we'll just do something. We'll get Tim up there when they gotta go. Okay. Let them go, and we'll come back in. Okay. Yeah, that's true. Everybody's in a hurry.
Don't talk to us.
Anyway,
We're on the air.
thank you. Paul, do another one.
Sure.
Get this thing going. Then I gotta get Roy up and then everybody else. I'll see how the clock goes. Thank you, John. Come back. Don't go anywhere.
Gonna do a Christmas song.
Yeah, when we get you, we'll take a break and get you out of there.
I want to sing my song before we
No
go.
problem, huh? You gotta go. I just don't want to back in my head worried about people who gotta leave. You gotta leave, let them go. Maybe I'll do that. What are we doing?
We're doing a Christmas song called.
Thanks for watching Carmine's Country Corner. As I asked Paul what we were doing. He started to tell me and I interrupted him. I like that. I love having my own show. You know, I do whatever I want. Okay, Paul. What do you
Okay,
got?
this is a little Christmas song written by Roger Miller. Do you have a chart on it? Okay. Just vamp in D. 2, 1, 2. Old toy trains, little toy tracks, little boy toys coming from the sack, carried by a man dressed in white and red. Little boy, don't you think it's time you were in bed? Close your eyes, listen to the skies. All is calm, all is well. Soon you'll hear Kris Kringle and the jingle bells, bringing old toy trains, little toy tracks, little boy toys coming from a sack, carried by a man dressed in white and red. Little boy, don't you think it's time you were in bed? Close your eyes, listen to the skies. All is calm, all is well. Soon you'll hear Kris Kringle and the jingle bells, bringing old toy trains, little toy tracks, little boy toys coming from a sack, carried by a man dressed in white and red. Little boy, don't you think it's time you were in bed? Carried by a man dressed in white and red. Little boy, don't you think it's time you were in bed? Thank you.
Roger Miller, man. I saw him at the Palomino Club one night, and we hung out together literally till 5 o'clock in the morning. I didn't know the man, but we started talking and didn't stop, and he was very friendly and very funny and very nice.
Nice.
It's the only time I ever met him, and I spent about 8 hours with him. That was it.
Cool.
Yeah, he was a good guy. What the thing am I doing?
Go ahead.
listen to the big trucks whine. I'm going on the highway, listen to the big trucks whine. And that white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. Bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. There's bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. And that white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. Cody! Old dog bite, and people they'll treat you fine. That old dog bite, and people they'll treat you fine. That white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. Then there's bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. There's bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. White freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. Listen to the big trucks whine. On the highway, listen to the big trucks whine. And that white freight line is going to satisfy my mind. That's enough of that. Cody isn't going to see. Hey, Roy, come on up. I think there's a chord there waiting for you. You're going to use my mic? Yes, sir. Okay, we'll do one, and then we're gonna take a 10-minute break. And you guys go. Okay, go ahead.
We're gonna do Peaceful Easy
Okay, you're gonna
Feeling.
face the audience.
Yeah.
Peaceful, easy feeling. What you eat?
Yeah.
TV. Just how.
I like the way it's sparkling against your skin so brown. loving Christmas and New Year.
Yeah.
Thanks for coming up. How about a hand for boys? Okay, because, Kim, if you want to cut it off for a minute, we're going to take just a 5-minute break and come back, okay? So you can do whatever you want. Go to pictures. I don't care what you do. Okay,
How late are you planning on going to? How late are you planning on going to? No, I'm good for that. I'm good for that.
You're good for that? What about Cody? You really got something to go? You gotta go.
Yeah, it's one of those things.
All right. Take a minute. Take your time.
I'll tell you later. I'll probably hear I'll listen to my stuff. I'll grab my guitar. I'll come back and get it later.
Okay.
Yeah, so we don't take any more.
No, don't worry about it. We can take 5 minutes. I'll take it.
That's all right.
I'm not gonna go way long, but I just gotta get chicken.
Thanks for coming and making noise with us.
I gotta get fired up. Who else? I gotta have you see. You know, we gotta keep it going.
Yeah, that's why I'm
What'd you
here,
go
man.
to? What did we do?
That's why I'm here, man. Dig it.
Steve Jordan used to announce it. The groove is here. Steve Jordan. The groove is here.
Is that what he used to say?
Some kind of thing. I think that's an old video. The groove is here.
Hey, try burger beer next. Yep, beer. Okay.
Oh yeah.
The more I'm around it, the more I.
Yeah, I found that out a long time ago. Yeah, I didn't think it wasn't going to be the heat. You used to bring
The other shirts
way
that I
more
get.
than you. That thing will burn your motorcycle accident or no. I mean, that thing. Still broadcasting that? Anyway, see you next time. I gotta run.
Nice to see you, Cody. Take care, buddy.
Merry Christmas, everybody. Merry Christmas.
I'll bring a jacket just in case.
Merry Christmas. Happy birthday, Albert.
Lewis, give me some love. All good. Thank you. You look good too. What you up to? All right. Jeannie's fine. Amen. All right, let's keep doing that. Let's keep doing that.
Last time I ran into you was over at Damon's.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
Is that last time I was there?
Yeah.
Well, it's good to see you. How you doing?
Good. How are you? Perfect time of year for it.
Yeah. I can't believe you're not cold.
I am cold.
I am cold. Good to see you again.
This is
We'll save you a sandwich, Bart.
What's that?
We'll save you a sandwich.
Did you say a savior will have the sandwich?
The Savior will have the sandwich.
All right. Hey, let's go back to work. I need to put a mic somewhere tall enough for me. Well, this right here. Well, that's your mic. No, I'm not going to use the fancy green special one. Am I? Oh, I can take this. Well, I don't care which mic. I don't need a mic. I'll just sing loud. I can do that.
Yeah, you can.
In fact, we're going to open the show with him, and I'm not going to say anything. Paul.
What room's that?
We're not going to say anything. We're just going to open it.
Fine.
Is that your bass? Is that like 100 years old or something? It looks like a yeah, right.
57.
No, it's a 73 body, 66 neck. Why do you call it a fisherman?
A very well-known.
Okay, we're going to do some going back and forth in a rush.
Hey, we're going to open romantically. That's okay. Look at us, you know, Vince Gill.
I can do.
What's on?
Oh, sure,
Look at us,
Vince
Vince
Gill.
Look at us.
Oh, you know it. You just don't know you know it.
Okay.
G.
You're going to love this E flat.
E flat?
Are you doing it?
Yeah, yeah.
That's fine. Well, that's your
You have an E flat on that guitar?
Yeah, I do, but no open tone.
Freiberger.
Just
Hey, Freiberger.
it's
Hello.
a challenge.
Hello to you.
E flat. You bastard.
You old cheater.
E flat. Look at us with Vince Gill. Kim, let us know when to stop vamping. Kim, let us know when to start. Well, on?
Are we already on?
Oh, man. Oh, cut it off. Let the drummer know where you want.
I'll just do a couple of notes.
Okay.
Look at us. We're in the E flat. All right. And Carmine, I got to mention that my wife and I are celebrating our 25th anniversary in another couple weeks. And so this is a song for our 25th anniversary that Vince wrote for us.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Let's just skip the intro. Just come right in. Okay. Look at us after all these years together. Look at us after all that we've been through. Look at us still leaning on each other. If you wanna see what true love should be, just look at us. Look at you, still pretty as a picture. Look at me, still crazy over you. Look at us, still believing in forever. If you wanna see what true love can be, just look at us. what your love can be, then just look at us. Hey, Carmine, play it real romantic. Hey, Gary. Well, I might as well take it. Chances are that we'll go down in history. If you wanna see what your love can mean, then just look at us. Tag it. If you wanna see what your love should be, then just look at us.
Hey, do one quick one. Okay, we'll do. He's gonna do one more because it's their anniversary.
All right, well, nothing says anniversary more than,
Thank you, Tom.
hey, let's do a countrified roll over Beethoven. What do you say? In the key of C. We'll just vamp on C a little bit. Right there. Gonna mail it to my local DJ. It's a rock little record I want my jockey to play. Well, Beethoven got
You know, I got the best friends. Now, he makes those shirts that he's wearing, that thing. Come here a minute. This thing right here, look at this thing. He does all that, and there's more on the back. There's more. Oh, I love the eagle. Wow. Yeah, so he said that if I gave him a shirt or a jacket, he would make one for me.
And I also said, don't tell anybody because I don't want to make it for anyone else.
Yeah, because he's going to charge me $1,000. But hey, it sounds like a good deal to me. Swan, what do you got?
I got something that's special as all for the
Did
ladies.
I mention that Peter Freiberger's on bass? In case you hadn't noticed the switch. Dan, that was awfully nice of you to let Pete get up here, and we're always proud to have Pete in the house. And how's your lovely wife, Shelley, and the family, and everybody's good?
She's fine.
Good.
She's up in Apple Valley.
Is she still happy to be with you?
No.
Oh, yeah. Good. It sounds like a perfect marriage.
I'm waiting for you to say, how's your wife and everything? And she left me.
Yep.
She doesn't love me anymore. She doesn't love me like she used to.
So what are we doing?
I'm going to do a tune by Vince Gill. I want to dedicate it to all the ladies out there.
Tom, where's your guitar? Just come sit back here, and maybe later we'll get you to do another one.
Okay, no talking now.
Sorry, boss.
Face of an angel, pretty eyes that shine. I lie awake at night, wishing you were mine. Standing here holding biggest heartache in town. Whenever you come around, I get weak at the knees and I lose my breath. Though I tried so hard, but the words won't come. I'm so scared to death. When you smile, that smile, world turns upside down. Whenever you come around, I feel so helpless. I feel just like a kid. What is it about you makes me keep my feelings hid? Try to tell you, oh, but the words can't be found. Whenever you come around, I get weak at the knees and I lose my breath. Though I try so hard, but the words won't come. I'm so scared to death. When you smile, that smile, world turns upside down. Whenever you come around, I get weak at the knees and I lose my breath. Though I tried so hard, but the words won't come. I'm so scared to death. When you whenever you come around. When you smile, that smile will turn upside down. Whenever you come around, whenever you come around, whenever you come around.
Great job. You know, since he got with the association, I think he got better. You know, Paul? He's hanging
Yeah, he's
around
been associating with some
with
pretty
some
good
pretty
people.
tall cotton there. All right, Paul, what do you got? What time? How much time we at?
This is my people's.
It's 5:25.
Okay, we're gonna go a couple of songs. We're out of here. I think I got everybody up.
Wait a minute.
But
Do you know where your
Boy,
kids are? It's
you-
5:25. Do you know where your kids are? I don't want to know where mine
I'm
are.
blue on motion.
hey, all right, Kiwi. I don't know the one song I like. Play this. It's Kiwi. You know this song. Huh? They want to. And I'm here, but I don't want to push it. All right, I just got yelled at by Cody. Good.
I'm blue on motion. 1, 2, A. 1, 2, A, A. The lonesome side of a train going by makes me wanna stop and cry. I recall the day it took you away. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too. When I hear that whistle blow, I wanna pack my suitcase and go. The lonesome side of a train going by makes me wanna stop and cry. In the still of the night, in the pale moonlight, the wind it moans and cries. These lovesick blues I just can't lose. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too. When I hear that whistle blow, I wanna pack my trunk and go. The lonesome side of a train going by makes me wanna jump and cry.
forward. Okay.
Wait a minute. I want to do my Christmas in Dixie before we quit.
Okay, we're going to do one more. We're going to have Gary Swan close the show tonight. Thanks for coming. All you wonderful people that showed up for the party, God bless you all. You were great. Bartt, thank you. Great work. Roy, thank you. These guys come all the way up here and they only get to do 1 or 2 songs, and it's like, it's just part of what it is. If it was up to me, I'd play all night and go till 1 in the morning like we used to do, Tom, years ago. We got to play all night. They didn't care about going home or going to bed or going anywhere. We just wanted to go play music. And Dan, thank you. I think Peter will just close it out. Dan, thank you for a wonderful job tonight. All my family that showed up, and my good friend Bob Pelly. I've probably known him longer than most people in the room here. And so thank you, everybody. We love you. Next week, I guess we'll be back on the 6 o'clock schedule, and I'm going to get some people together. We're going to put on another show. Of course, my sister Cindy, my brother, Louis. Maybe you're going to close this show. Come on up. We're going to do one more. I forgot all about Louis, and I don't want to get in trouble. He's going to go next. We're doing 2 more songs. We'll make it quick. Here you go. Key of C.
Lucille.
Lucille.
That's what by Kenny Rogers.
Yeah.
Oh, that he always tricks me. I think we're going to get a
You
razor.
picked up.
Yeah.
3-4. It's in 3-4.
He's got it. 3-4. I know all about this stuff.
Go ahead, Dave.
Go on. In a bar in Toledo, across from the depot, on a bar stool she took off her ring. Thought I'd get closer, so I walked on over. I sat down and asked her name. Now when the drinks finally hit her, she said I'm no quitter, but I finally kept living on dreams. I'm hungry for laughter and here ever after. I'm after whatever the other life brings. In the mirror I saw him and I closely watched him. I thought how he looked out of place. He came to the woman who sat there beside me. He had a strange look on his face. The big hands were calloused. He looked like a mountain. For a minute I thought I was dead. But he started shaking. His big heart was breaking. He turned toward the woman and said, "You picked a fine time to leave me, Lucille. 400 children and a crops in the field. Now I've had some bad time, I've lived through some sad time, but this time you're hurting won't heal. You picked a fine time to leave me, Lucille." Go. Now after he left us, I ordered more whiskey and thought how she made him look small. From the lights of that barroom to a rented motel, we walked without talking at all. Now she was a beauty, but when she came to me, she must have thought I'd lost my mind. 'Cause I couldn't hold her the words told her, kept coming back time after time. You picked a fine time to leave me, Lucille. 400 children and the crops in the field. Now I've had some bad times, I've lived through some sad times. This time you're hurting won't heal. You picked a fine time to leave me, Lucy. You picked a fine time to leave me, Lucille.
That's my brother Louis Allen. Now we're going to do the last Christmas song with Gary Swan, and then we'll see you next week. Thanks for watching the show, and all you great people, thanks for coming to the party. We had a great time.
And remember, it's never too late to give me a present.
That's right.
By now in New York City, there's snow on the ground, and out in California, the sunshine's falling down. Maybe down in Memphis, Graceland's all in line, and in Atlanta, Georgia, the big peace on earth tonight. Christmas in Dixie, it's snowing in the pine. Merry Christmas from Dixie to everyone tonight. It's windy in Chicago. The kids are out of school. There's magic in Motown. The city's on the move. And Jackson, Mississippi, Southern Carolina, and all across this nation, there's a peaceful Christmas time. Go on, Carmine. Christmas in Dixie, it's snowing in the pine. Christmas from Dixie to everyone tonight. Merry Christmas from La Cañada, and have a peaceful Christmas time.